Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks so much for tuning in. For today's video, I am super excited to show you guys this beautiful excavator by Wacker Neuson. So I have a surprise and you guys are going to like it. So without further ado, let's go and get started. Right, so before I begin this video, I'd like to extend a big thanks and special shout out to Brownlee Equipment in Earlton, Ontario for providing this opportunity today. For more information about their contact info and inventory, please feel free to check out their website provided in the description box below. There she is. It's an all-new 2019 Wacker Neuson EZ53 excavator with the boot and the bucket, and it's a really cool excavator, and I'm telling you right now. Exhaust pipe up there. It does run on diesel fuel. Really nice. Nice little wheels, tires. So let's hop inside the excavator and then I'll show you what it looks like inside. Nice doors there. And it opens really easily. Alright, so we're inside the excavator. You have your ignition over here. We're going to turn that to the on position. Okay. You have your dash. And as you can see over here, you have your dashboard. And you have your, and over here you have your controls. You have your windshield wipers, your lights, air conditioning, rear defrost, something like that, or front, I don't know. And also over here you have your seat belt. It's really optional. You have your controls. Anyways, we'll go ahead and fire it up here. Gotta love that diesel sound. Very nice. I will put this down. That's your lock. Goes down like that. And right over here you have your controls. Over here, this button, I'll show you that. Alright, so the excavator has two modes, one for driving and one for digging. So I'm going to show you the controls right now. This part, if you go up and down, this part controls your upper arm, also called the boot. Over here, see that? If you go left and right, this part will rotate the cab left and right. See what I mean? And if you go up and down, this part controls your upper arm, like that. And if you go left and right with the right joystick, this one will tilt the bucket, just like that. So I'm going to turn the cab over here. And your right control over here, this part will control your stabilizer. Just like that. Put it back down. See what I mean? Really nice. So the excavator has that Kenwood aftermarket stereo with Bluetooth, USB and aux in, and AM/FM radio as well.
Tractors even better. Check out the full lineup of Rhino Ag implements at Barnberg.
Over here you have your manual throttle. Over here, it's really nice.
You purchased the best tractor for you. Now isn't it time to purchase the best implement too? Rhino Ag. From mowers to tillers, middle busters, grading scrapers, rear blades, and more. Rhino Ag builds tough, dependable implements that make great tractors even better. Check out the full lineup of Rhino Ag implements at Barnberg Implement in Higginsville today and do more with your tractor. Learn more at rhinoag.com.
It's time to man up with Massey.
I have to say, Massey opened my eyes.
Drive the tractors that are pulling ahead. Powerful and efficient. This CVT is made to be driven, so drive it. And remember, Massey Ferguson is building tractors in North America, in Jackson, Minnesota.
I'll just bring the lock up. That means it's out of gear. Now we'll check out the exterior. Alright, so we're going to put the engine on this Wacker Neuson. There's your engine by Wacker Neuson. There's your hydraulic hoses, and for some reason, it's got that JCB oil filter on it, for some reason. Anyways, it sounds sweet. Your radiator, anyways, it's a diesel engine. Really nice. Let's go shut her down and we'll check out the rest of the excavator. Doors open. As you can see, the excavator has the Wacker Neuson logos over there. One over there, one right there. Gotta love that Wacker Neuson equipment like this one. Well everyone, I hope you enjoy my review on the Wacker Neuson EZ53 excavator. Be sure to stay tuned next time for more videos just like this, and remember, like, subscribe, favorite, and if you want to check out my website, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, they're both in the description so you can find it, and then you can check out my other videos. Once again, be sure to stay tuned next time. There's always a lot more where it came from. Take care.